In the book, you see that the women is shifting the power and they being more dominant and they're taking over. And basically, like I was saying, she was saying like drag her in the video. She was talking about the science study and things and human bodies and the determining the sex and trying to discover things. And that was remind me of the Tatiana skin transplant and how she was trying to figure out things through that. Because she wanted to know like how to work it outside the body, or like is it a way to take it out and it to still be working, still be accessible to people, well, females in this case, because she want the females to be empowered. She want to rule everything. And these are some of the quote passages you see on the third block. And also, Tatiana, she's making the men weak by placing laws saying that men cannot be outside on the street or do anything without a female stamp. So she's really putting the female role in power, and she's weakening the manpower. And if they don't comply with the laws, then they will be facing death. The connections I drew from the talk of Alex in the video, and she explaining male and female when she explained one specific case when she said the female was born a female. You know, she was in a relationship, happy, born a female. And it wasn't until the age of 19 that she discovered that she was actually a male, because when she started to develop and mature more, she never had her cycle. So her parents, you know, they knew that it was a problem. They took her to the doctor, and the doctor was saying basically she's a male, although she appears a female on the outside. And Alex was explaining that people think like this is a threat to society because it it makes a difference of social categories, and it just don't put no category on male and female. It just make it complicated, and people get threatened when something is unknown, they never heard about it. And it reminded me of the men in the book The Power, because the men feel threatened by the females because the electric power came out of nowhere and they don't know how to control it, they don't know what to do, so they feel threatened and they want to kill them. And some of the men, they formed the army. They went to the North Star camp to try to kill the females with their power. One of the passages I pulled was three men, each carrying a baseball bat. They're greased up with black. It's a terrorist incursion. So basically, they was trying to go there, kill the little girls with the powers. But the outcome was they end up getting killed because, of course, the ladies, they outpowered the males in that situation. So my question that I posed to the audience was, why are humans threatened by the unknown? In the book, war is happening. War is taking place. It's a change coming. You have females on one side together standing as a unit, and then you have the males on the other side together standing as a unit. And this, as my opinion, was from men not being able to control women and being powerless. A war has started because they want to take back control. And now that the women have the power to be dominant, they don't want the men to be able to take back control. So they want to do anything in their power to continue to be dominant and be in control. And Alex spoke on how the founding fathers of America wanted all men to be equal, but he was dismissing the women. Like he's saying, like all men equal, but he really didn't speak about women or their rights. And the passage I brought up was that's why everyone wants Madam President, democracy for all, as American found his wish for the world. So the women must claim their rights, and they want to take over in the democracy for American or for their country. They want with American have a democracy in Tatiana words. So in Alex's video of her explaining the sexual genders and how the intersex, how people could be born intersex, not putting really a label, people become timid with change. They don't know how to deal with change because they so used to the norm or being normal. So timid. So the power in the video do have some connections based on the unknown in the world.